You just can't live in that negative way. Make way for the positive day. Bob Marley. Bob Marley, born Robert Nesta Marley on February 6, 1945, in 9 Mile, Jamaica, was a legendary Jamaican singer-songwriter, musician, and cultural icon whose influence transcends generations and borders. Marley is best known for popularizing reggae music and spreading messages of peace, love, and unity through his powerful lyrics and soulful melodies. Growing up in Trenchtown, a neighborhood in Kingston, Jamaica, Marley was exposed to the vibrant music scene of the Caribbean and developed a deep passion for music from a young age. In the late 1960s, he formed the band the Wailers with fellow musicians Peter Tosh and Bunny Wailer, and together they began to revolutionize the sound of Jamaican music. Marley's music was deeply rooted in the Rastafarian faith, a spiritual and social movement that emerged in Jamaica in the 1930s. His songs often explored themes of spirituality, social justice, and personal liberation, reflecting his commitment to spreading messages of hope and empowerment to people around the world. Throughout the 1970s, Marley and the Wailers rose to international prominence with hit songs such as No Woman, No Cry One Love, and Redemption Song. Their music became synonymous with the struggle for freedom and equality, inspiring listeners to stand up against oppression and injustice. In addition to his musical legacy, Marley was also a vocal advocate for social change and political activism. He used his platform to speak out against racism, poverty, and violence, and he played a key role in promoting peace and reconciliation during periods of political unrest in Jamaica. Tragically, Marley's life was cut short when he succumbed to cancer on May 11, 1981, at the age of 36. Despite his untimely death, his music and message continue to resonate with people of all backgrounds and cultures, earning him a place in the pantheon of music legends. Bob Marley's impact on music and culture is immeasurable. His timeless songs and profound lyrics continue to inspire millions of people around the world, reminding us of the power of music to transcend boundaries, unite communities, and bring about positive change.